Hello everyone, this is a video for anybody who has a task chair or an office chair that sinks every time. In my case I have a Han task chair, and these are the ones that go much higher than the usual ones. This trick puts your chair into one position so it's not movable after that. You won't be able to go up and down, but it definitely works if you just want to sit in one position and you don't care about the up and down movement. So this is it. You will need two 13 over 32 millimeter clamps, stainless steel clamps, and these specific ones because you will want to make deep cuts or grooves into the tube, the aluminum tube. So I found a really good file or high grit sandpaper or low grit sandpaper will help. Just try to make some lines or deep cuts so that the clamp grabs onto it, and this is where these come in. You don't want to get the ones with just a single you want to get the slotted types. I'll put a link in the description. And if you want to stand, you can always use a floor mat. In my case, I have a Gorilla standing mat, and that's been perfect for about 3 years. I've had this seat in this position for a year now, and it has not moved an inch. Just as long as you make really deep cuts into that tube, and then tighten these two really well. But before doing that, just make sure that you adjust your seat to the position that you want, and that should do it. Alright, thank you.